So my dear students, today we are going to revise literary and the archaeological sources of the information of the medieval period. So at that time historian used to get the information by using these archaeological and literary sources. So first of all, major archaeological source was inscription. So archaeological sources means the sources that the archaeologists find at the time of excavation or searching by digging the earth or finding old places. So they get some archaeological evidences, means remains of the past they collected and they use for the information. First of all, there is inscription. So what is the meaning of inscription? Inscriptions are the were written on the hard surfaces, means walls, rocks, pillars were used for writing the inscriptions, and rulers used to appoint the officials for writing such kind of inscription, for giving the information to the people. And then buildings and monuments, these are also a major source of information of medieval period. As we know, in India there are so many buildings and monuments like Taj Mahal, Jama Masjid, Red Fort, etc. So these monuments not only give us the information about the ruler but also give us information about the time period in which they were made. And then coins. Coins were also the major source of information of the medieval period. As we know, when the kings used to mint the coins, they used to write their names on the coins, and also they used to write the dates on the coins. So we get the information about the rulers and their time period. Then literary sources. As the name suggests, literary sources means the material that is found in the written form. So first of all, manuscripts were used in India. So what is the meaning of manuscripts? Manuscripts were handwritten material that were written on the soft surfaces. Soft surfaces means sometimes they were written on the cloth, sometimes they were written on the palm leaves. But after the invention of the paper, manuscripts were not used in such a large scale, because there were some problems with the manuscripts, like they were difficult to handle as they were very weak and fragile. So sometimes they were damaged, so they were not able to give the complete information, and also they were very heavy to carry from one place to another. So after the invention of paper, people started to write on the paper. So archives are the places where we find some such kind of manuscripts and documents. So archives are the places where manuscripts and documents are stored. Then some literary works were also patronized or supported by the rulers at that time. Like Abul Fazl wrote Aine Akbari. So Abul Fazl was the courtier of Akbar, and he wrote Aine Akbari about the administration of Akbar. Then Al-Baruni wrote the Tehreek-e-Hind, and then Rajat Rangini. It was written by Kalhan. It was the story of Kashmir administration. So these were the literary works written at that medieval period. Then autobiographies. So autobiographies means the ruler's own life story. So sometimes ruler used to write about their life story, like Babur wrote Tuzuke Babri about his administration, and Firoz Shah Tughlaq wrote the Fuzuhat Tughlaq. So these were the Fuzuhat-e Firoz Shahi. This was the autobiography of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Then foreign travelers account. So there were so many foreign travelers. They used to come into India to search about different monuments, and sometimes they came for learning in the universities of India. So they were like Ibn Battuta, Marco Polo, Niccolo Conti, Abdul Farag. These were the some foreign travelers. So what were they? Ibn Battuta, Niccolo Conti, and Marco Polo and Abdul Farag. So these were the some important foreigner travelers at that time. They also wrote about the administration of India at that time. And then Farmans. Farmans were also literary sources of the medieval period. These were the orders or decrees ruled by the rulers. So rulers used to give the farmans to the people, that were royal order given by the rulers. So these also give us the information about the rulers and their administration.